Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle for years without results? It's not always about how much you earn. It's about what you avoid doing. In this video, I'll show you 7 silent wealth killers that could be keeping you broke without you even realizing it. If you want to get rich, stop making these mistakes. Before starting this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss out any latest updates from us. Number 1. Living beyond your means. This is the biggest one. You're trying to look rich, but you're really just in debt. You drive a car you can't afford, wear clothes you don't need, just so people can think you're rich. But real wealth isn't about what people see. It's what you got in the bank. Stop trying to impress people with your spending. If you want to be rich, you gotta save and invest. That's how wealth is built quietly. Flexing your wealth is cool, but when it comes to building wealth, it's best to be low-key. Number 2. Ignoring financial education. Broke people hate learning about money. They hate investing, budgeting, saving. They just hate all of it. But wealthy people love learning about money. They read books, they attend seminars, they constantly educate themselves because they understand the true value of financial knowledge. It's not just about making more money. It's about managing it effectively. If you're broke and you hate learning about money, that's why you're broke. Number 3. Broke-minded people. Broke people surround themselves with other broke people. And let me tell you something, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. If all your friends are broke, you're gonna be broke too. Why? Because their lack of ambition becomes your reality. Their bad money habits become your habits. And before you know it, you're stuck in a cycle of broke. So if you want to get out of this cycle, you gotta change your circle. Find people who are financially successful or on the path to success, and learn from them. Number 4. One source of income. Broke people depend on one source of income, their job. That's it. They think having a steady paycheck is all that matters. But here's the thing, relying on just one income source is like putting all your eggs in one basket. What happens if you lose that job? You're screwed. Rich people, on the other hand, they build multiple streams of income. They invest their money, they start businesses. They diversify their income sources so that if one fails, they got other stuff to fall back on. So, if you want to be rich, stop depending on just your job. Build other income streams. Invest your money. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Number 5. Wasting time. Broke people waste time. They binge-watch shows, scroll through social media, do nothing. They have so much time on their hands, but it's not productive. They don't invest their time in building skills, learning new things, or starting a side hustle. Instead, they just waste it. But rich people, they value their time. They know that time is the most valuable asset they have. So, instead of wasting it, they invest it in themselves, in their skills, in their businesses. If you want to be rich, stop wasting time. Invest it. Make it work for you. Number 6. Playing too safe. Broke people fear risk. They hate taking any kind of risk because they're scared of failure. But here's the thing. Failure is part of the journey. Failure is where you learn, grow, and come back stronger. But broke people, they don't take any risks. They play it safe, stay in their comfort zone, and never really grow. But rich people, they take calculated risks. They know how to assess a situation, weigh the pros and cons, and make a decision. Yes, they sometimes fail, but they learn from those failures and adjust their strategy. If you want to be rich, stop playing it safe. Take some risks, embrace failure, and learn from it. Number 7. Thinking money is evil. Broke people have a poverty mindset. They believe that wealth is evil, that money is hard to come by, and that rich people are greedy. But here's the truth. Money is just a tool. It's a means to an end. How you use that money defines who you are, not the money itself. Broke people let their emotions get the better of them. They let greed, envy, or bitterness cloud their judgment. But rich people, they don't let emotions dictate their financial decisions. They separate their emotions from their money. They make logical, rational decisions based on facts and figures. If you want to be rich, you got to change your mindset. You got to believe that wealth is possible. You got to believe that you deserve it. And most importantly, you got to believe that you can achieve it. So there you have it. The 7 things you should avoid if you want to be rich. I know it might not be easy to change your ways, but it is possible. With a bit of effort and a lot of determination, you can break the cycle of broke and start living the life you deserve. The question is, will you take the first step? Will you avoid these things and start working towards your goal of becoming rich? Don't wait. Start today. Your future self will thank you for it. Now comment below. Which of these points do you relate to the most, and how do you plan to change it? I'm eager to see your comments.